now. I just wanna keep moving forward. I don't wanna go out, I just wanna stay in with you, in with you. 'Cause everyone is so loud.